Hello students, good morning to all. We are discussing about mineral nutrition under plant physiology. It is a continuation of mineral nutrition. This is the final topic. So today we are discussing about important amides present in plants. Our previous video is fate of ammonia in plants. If you want to see that videos also, I am given descriptions and links in description. You can also watch all related to mineral nutrition topics. Right, today we are discussing about important amides in plants. There are two amides are present. Those are asparagine and glutamine. Asparagine and glutamine, two important amides are there. Basically, structure of amino acid is it contains alpha carbon and also 4 valency positions are filled with carboxylic group, hydroxyl group, alkyl group and amino group. 4 valency positions of carbon filled with carboxyl, hydroxyl group, alkyl group and also amino group. When this hydroxyl group is replaced with amino group, then that is called amides. That is called amides. So in plants, there are two amides are observed. Those are asparagine and glutamine. Asparagine and glutamine, two important amides are observed. These two important amides are formed from two amino acids. The two amino acids are, one is aspartic acid and another one is glutamic acid. Aspartic acid and glutamic acid. From aspartic acid, asparagine, a amide is formed from aspartic acid, and from glutamic acid, glutamine, another amide is formed. So glutamine, a amide, and asparagine also amide. These two amides are formed with these two amino acids. Aspartic acid gives to asparagine amide and glutamic acid glutamine. These two amides are formed. So how amides are formed? What is the difference between amino acids and amides? So there is nothing but a simple difference is there, that is hydroxyl group of amino acid replaced with another amino group. Already in one amino acid contains amino group. In this carbon filled with 4 valency positions with amino group, carboxyl group, hydroxyl group and also alkyl group. When the hydroxyl group replaced with another amino group, then that is called amide. See this. This is the structure of amide. This is the hydroxyl position of an amino acid that is filled with extra amino group. Then that is called amides. Amides. So hydroxyl part of the amino acid replaced with the amino group minus NH2 group. That is replaced with the NH2 radical. So amides contains more nitrogen when comparing to amino acid. So in amino acid only one nitrogen radical is there, but in the amide there are two NH2 are there. It means when comparing to amino acids, amides contains more nitrogen. That is the amides contain more nitrogen than amino acids. Right, and these are transported through xylem vessels. These are transported through xylem vessels. Okay, one example is there, that is a soya bean, belongs to family Fabaceae. Soya bean belongs to family Fabaceae. In this plant, nodules exports extra nitrogen in the form of urides. So soya beans, it contains nodular roots. In that nodule, nitrogen is fixed through nitrogen cycle. That nitrogen transported as urides. So urides also, they have high nitrogen to carbon ratio. Urides contains high nitrogen to carbon ratios. So this topic is belongs to amides. So in plants, basically two amides are observed. That is asparagine and glutamine. Asparagine and glutamine. These two are formed from amino acids. Asparagine formed from aspartic acid, amino acid, and glutamine amide is formed from glutamic acid. These two are amides formed from amino acids. What is the difference between amino acid and amides? There is nothing but a simple difference is there. In amino acid, hydroxyl group is replaced with extra another amino group. Then that is called as amides. And also amides contains more nitrogen when comparing to amino acids. These amides are transported through xylem vessels. In soybean plants, nodular roots, they transported nitrogen in the form of ureids. These ureids are contains more nitrogen to carbon ratio. This is about final topic of mineral nutrition. So totally all videos are included, are completed in this topic, with this topic. And if you want to videos related to mineral nutrition topic, I will given description. In description, links are given in description. You can also watch. Thanks.